Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. So I want to give you an update about the latest Google announcement. They were updating their search algorithm on May 4th, and I want to show you some results about what changed for me so far. So on Twitter, here is their announcement. So they made a core update in May, so in a couple of days ago, 3 days ago. And yeah, the people are responding with mixed comments because some say that it's a pandemic right now and it's not time for an update. Others say that everything will work out fine because if you have good content then you will stay top ranked. And yeah, so this is the official announcement. So they are saying that the focus on is still on content, and if the stuff is original, then you are good. However, let me show you my analytics for this period of time. So this is one of my blogs that got penalized a while ago. It has unique content on it, and it had for quite a long period of time steady amount of visitors, about 100 a day. But recently it got only 50 on average, but since this update I think it will grow back to 100 on average a day. So this is how things are looking for this specific blog, but keep in mind this has the original content on it, and other sites are lining and they are plain, so no changes in the traffic for these sites. So for me so far only positive feedback from this update, because one of my sites that dropped in traffic for a year now, it seems that it's back, and other sites are the same as before. So yeah, I am still waiting for things to unfold on this thing, but I will keep you guys updated. Also, if you have any info on this update, let me know in the comment section of this video. And until next time, stay safe, stay subscribed, and have a great day. Bye.